MEC Networks Corporation, your partner in technology. We are glad to have the opportunity to share and show you who we are and how we could help you in innovating and achieving your goals. We are a distribution company that carries multiple ICT products and solutions. We focus our competency on technologies like connectivity or structured cabling, wired networks or data switching, wireless infrastructure, IP telephony and unified communications, IP surveillance, server and storage, network visibility and performance, and network security. On top of making these solutions available here in the Philippines, we also provide the availability of the necessary support and services to ensure proper probing, designing, deployment, training, and support as individual products or integrated solutions. This marks our battle cry. More than distribution, we provide solutions. We have been in the ICT distribution business for the last 2 decades, and over the span of years, more than 800 resellers and system integrators from all across the archipelago have partnered with us in delivering quality products, solutions, and services in the country. Our headquarters is located at Cubao, Quezon City, which handles most of our transactions in Luzon, while we also operate in Southern Branch Office in Keppel Building, Cebu City, to cover the market in the Visayan region. We operate to cover and manage the markets of system integrators, business partners, resellers, end users, telco, and service providers. Our coverage of the market involves the distribution of more than 20 carefully handpicked global products and its supplementary support and services. In order to deliver these products based on global standards, our engineers and workforce are certified and trained to design and deploy such solutions. These are the very merits of our distribution function. Our distribution business and services are also DUNS registered and referenced via DUNS and Bradstreet accreditations. On top of our distribution services, we also have our add-on service and support for our easy integration. This would be in the form of our engineering services, mainly consultancy and designing, deployment services, training and certifications, and customer support hotline. Our professional engineering services are ITIL certified and embraces ITIL's global standards, disciplines, and best practices. We are a 100% Filipino-owned corporation but operates on the standards of global practices and merits, complying to the standards of Duns & Bradstreet and ITIL. Duns & Bradstreet is an American public company that licenses information on businesses and corporations for use in credit decisions, business-to-business marketing, and supply chain management. Often referred to as D&B, the company maintains information on more than 220 million companies worldwide. Being a D&B DUNS registered company establishes the credibility of our distribution services. Information Technology Infrastructure Library or ITIL certifications and practices are designed to help companies identify areas where they need improvement, providing vendor-neutral guidelines on where to make specific changes to reduce costs and increase productivity. As a distributor, we are designed to manage our business partners via our channel account managers or CAMs, our products and principals via our product managers or PMs, and the end user market via our corporate strategic sales officers or SSO, and the telco market via our telco team. We have our infrastructure team designed to support the functions and objectives of the core frontliners. Our product managers, who are assigned to their respective brands, function to provide the global principles, the Philippine market demographics, and requirements. In turn, they coordinate with the principals to provide the right and fitting solution and pricing for the local audience. Our products managers carry out the responsibility of enabling both our own and the business partner sales and technical teams to ensure proper reach and solution deployment. Our channel account managers, whom we assign to their respective partners and resellers, function to provide both pre-sales and post-sales support for their partners' projects. It is the objective of MEC and our camps to have our business partners trained and enabled to sell and deploy the products we distribute. Our strategic sales officers function to provide understanding of the end user's needs in order to provide a proactive dissemination of state-of-the-art technologies and solutions fitting for the customer requirements. Our SSO collaborates closely with the end users and their projects to gain detailed understanding of their business requirements and, in turn, provides a customized solution and value engineered design for the project. For specific solutions, we also help and guide end users to reach out to the appropriate, trained, certified, and competent system integrator in the country. On top of our core function of distribution, we also have add-on support services. We provide a wide array of salient ICT infrastructure and interdependent components that are tried and tested in their integration. Consultancy services to help understand project requirements and provide a fitting solution. Pre-sale support to help our business partners with their projects. Post-sale services as an alternative implementation service arm or escalation point for projects. Trainings, knowledge transfer seminars, and certifications to make sure that our customers can harness the full potential of the products we provide. On our diverse solution and skill sets, the multiple products and solutions in our portfolio allows us to address major ICT infrastructure requirements of projects. This allows us to act as a single entity to provide a seamless, reconciled, integrated, and value-engineered solution. Being a one-stop shop provides further ease and convenience of our customers seeking multiple and integrated products. Included in the output of the consultancy services would be technical designs for the project, diagrams and perspectives, budgetary costing and bill of materials of the design solution, detailed features, requirement, and term of reference, indicative deployment timelines of the design solutions, and reference list of trained, certified, and competent system integrators capable of fulfilling and deploying the design. Our pre-sale support team is composed of trained and certified engineers for different products, solutions, and technology they support. We support and embrace best practices, and our teams are cross-trained and cross-functional to provide a diverse understanding of our solution offerings. Our pre-sales team supports our business partners in understanding, probing, and sizing up the requirements of the projects. Solutions design and offerings are based on probing exercises in the objective to match the solution with the project requirements. Projects and opportunities are jointly covered, managed, and closed by the collaboration and joint efforts of our business partners and our solution architects. In cases where further justification is required by the project, we also extend as an add-on support and serve as a demonstration unit for proof of concept arrangements to further strengthen the solution value proposition. All of these support are made available for the benefit of our business partners in their projects. On our post-sales team, we do not only design solutions, we also have the capability and resources to deploy and install projects. Project deployment is supplemented by a project management team to ensure methodologies are based on best practices. This allows our business partners to grow and be self-sufficient in the way they preach and deploy the products and solutions that we provide them in their projects. We provide product, sales, designing, installation, programming, and technology trainings to both our business partners or the end users. We invested in building our own knowledge transfer facilities at corporate headquarters as we believe that every product and solution can only be maximized to its fullest capability and full understanding of its features and functionalities. As a support avenue, we provide free phone support for both our business partners and their end customers. Our technical customer center may be reached via our hotline numbers 4226-TCC. Every escalated issue or call received is referenced by a trouble ticket number and tracked by our service and management team. Our core competency and skill sets are centered towards connectivity or structured cabling, wired networks or data switches, wireless infrastructure, IP telephony and unified communications, IP surveillance, server and storage platforms, network visibility and performance, and network security. These are the very DNA of MEC. These competencies define who we are and what we do. We culture and hone these skills to serve our customers better. Our connectivity, or more commonly known as structured cabling portfolio, is composed of copper technologies, fiber optic technologies, horizontal cablings, vertical cablings or backbones, data racks, faceplate and accessories, in-premise and off-premise cabling system or outside plant facilities. For wired networks, we have edge switches, distribution switches, core switches, top-of-rack switches, virtualized switches, industrial switches, and routers. For wireless infrastructure, we have wireless access points, controllers, in-premise wireless solutions, off-premise wireless solutions using outdoor mesh technologies, wireless planning and designing, wireless propagation tests, heat mapping, and path profiling. For IP and unified communications, we have IP PBX and IP telephony platforms, unified communications, mobility applications, contact centers, IP phones, and IP soft phones. For physical security, we have IP cameras from fixed type, bullet type, dome type, PTZ, indoor, outdoor, thermal camera, remote mobile camera application using smartphones, serverless IP camera, video management systems, video intelligence and analytics like people counting, missing object, unidentified objects, and facial recognition, encoders and decoders, and network video recorders and storages. For servers and storage, we have next-generation servers on tower type, rack-mounted or blade form factors, secondary storages either on tape-based libraries or disk-based technologies, direct attached storages, and network attached storage or storage area networks environment. For network security, we have firewalls, virtual private networks on IPsec or secure socket layer for secure remote connections, content filtering, and email security. We provide network security from the gateway level up to the desktop level, all under a single management platform providing the utmost functionalities of unified threat management. Last but definitely not the least, we provide competencies and skill sets on network visibility and performance. These involves measurement tools and network performance management correlated with application performance management. Our competencies are made available to all segments of the market as we believe every company deserves the best of solutions and practices. Our solutions are customized for the different needs of the vertical markets. We address from the smallest of SOHO to SMB, enterprise market, and telco. We pride ourselves with the competence and value we have delivered to the enterprise market regardless of vertical, providing the right solution for the exact requirements, extending our services from design conceptualization all the way to its operationalization. We are helping companies across all industries in innovating and achieving their goals with the power of technology. Similarly, we provide an equivalent value to our telco customers, providing the telco with different varieties of solutions for their own infrastructure use or for their corporate sales projects. These solutions span from run rate business, turnkey projects, or customized OEM products and solutions, helping and improving the way our country connects with the world. We have a handful of global companies and technology brands that have partnered with us to provide them with our core distribution services and available engineering competence. We have carefully assessed the market and brought in top-of-the-line, best-of-breed, state-of-the-art products from all over the globe. These companies and brands represent their own unique solutions and strengths. As seen in this chart, they are parked under their respective technologies and may operate on an individual environment, but in most cases interface and interoperate with its ICT ecosystem. Integrating these solutions all together to address business requirements is the very DNA of MEC Networks Corporation's distribution and engineering services. MEC, more than distribution, we provide solutions.